मेरी छोटी सी गुड़िया, आई एम सो प्राउड एंड आई एम सो सॉरी। सॉरी कि जब तुम घर घर खेलती थी तो मैंने तुम्हें रोका नहीं। ये नहीं कहा कि ये सिर्फ तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, पर कहता भी कैसे। मैंने भी तो कभी तुम्हारी मम्मी की हेल्प नहीं की, और तुमने जो देखा, जिसने कई कई सालों से एक गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट किया, पर अभी भी देर नहीं हुई। किचन का किंग ना बन पाऊं तो कम से कम लॉन्ड्री में तो हाथ बटाऊं। अब कुछ सही कर जाऊं। तुम्हारा पापा।
Is laundry only a woman's job?
You might be president of PepsiCo, you might be on the board of directors, but when you enter this house, you're the wife, you're the daughter, you're the daughter-in-law, you're the mother.
Women may have broken the glass ceiling in many professions, but at home they still do all the domestic chores. Instead of talking to women about Ariel, we set out to provide the most impressive product benefit of all, getting men to share the load. We ignited a gender equality debate.
It's just taken for granted that cleaning is meant to be done by the woman.
Celebrities have joined the cause, committing to helping their wives and partners at home.
But we didn't stop there. We launched a custom his and hers product endorsed by washing machine manufacturers and challenged men to post selfies sharing the load. We created a new media channel by partnering with designer brands to create clothes tags that read, "This fabric can be washed by both men and women," and even got India's second biggest matrimonial portal to make sharing the load part of its key dating criteria. Share the Load had the highest consumer engagement response rate for Ariel ever. 2 million men have pledged to do the laundry. 25,000 his and hers laundry tags were sewn, and sales grew by 75% year on year, double our target. We didn't just influence the way India washes its clothes, we started to change its social fabric. Thank you, Ariel, for truly sharing the load.